Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure your MTN SIM is active and your data plan shows available balance. Open settings and enable cellular data. Restart the phone to clear caches. Next, locate the APN values from your MTN account or welcome SMS. APN name, MMSC, proxy, and port, because these exact values tell the device how to route mobile internet. Once done, keep your credentials handy so you can enter them precisely in the next configuration steps. You now input the detailed APN settings. Open mobile network, then access point names and tap New. Enter the name and APN exactly as provided, fill MMSC, MMS proxy and port only if supplied, set MCC and MNC if blank. For APN type, use default, SUPL, MMS when required. Save the profile and select it. Once selected, toggle mobile data off and on to force a fresh network attach. This step ensures the handset registers with MTN using your new parameters. You finish by validating connectivity. Open a browser and load a page, or run a speed test to confirm expected 3G or 4G speeds. If pages fail to load, reboot the phone first, then reopen APN settings to verify every character matches MTN values. If still offline, reset network settings to default and recreate the APN. One key tip: if the problem persists, note your IMEI and account details before calling MTN support so they can check provisioning on their side. This saves time and clarifies why service is blocked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.